Now, one question I get asked a lot is what's the best way to apply hybrid lashes? So, hybrid lashes are made out of 50% classics and 50% fans. Keep watching if you want to know how I do it. Now, just through experience in lashing, I found that the best way to do hybrid lashes is to apply your classics first. So, I try and apply a classic to every other natural lash, which then leaves me with 50% of the natural lashes remaining to be able to add in my fans. Now, the reason I do it this way is because I find if you do it the opposite way and you apply all your fans first, you almost always end up applying more than 50% fans and you're left with a lot less natural lashes to apply your classics on. So, in my opinion, if you really want to get that 50-50 mixture, then it's best to apply your classics first. Now, once I've applied my classics, then I'll go with my fans. So, as you can see here, this is in real time, me applying my fans. And I also find it a lot easier to figure out where to put them because all your natural lashes remaining are the lashes that you're going to apply a fan on. Another benefit of applying your lashes this way is I find when you apply your fans, you get a lot less stickies because you've got gaps between all the natural lashes that you're going to apply. So there's no lashes really touching each other that are drying at the same time. All your classics are already dried and then you can go in with your fans. Another key to not getting stickies is to make sure you have a really good isolation tweezer. So I use the slim curved isolation tweezer from our tweezer range and I find it just makes it so much easier for me to lash. I personally leave the inner corner till the end of the set because I just like to finish them last and then I know I'm done with my set. So here's me in real time applying a fan to the inner corner. Now, once I've finished off my set and I've got the coverage I want, as you can see here, I always apply a super bonder. So what this does is it cures the natural lashes instantly, meaning that your clients can get them wet and you don't need to worry. Let me know if you want more videos like this.